Large expansive home with a flexible wide-open floor plan with a private pool in a gated community near local restaurants, shopping, the Conway Hoffner area, and I-4. Welcome to the Legacy community, just about 2 miles from the public boat ramp of Lake Jessamine. This 2-story home offers high coffered ceilings, a first-floor owner's suite with 3 other bedrooms, a total of 4 full baths plus a media room, a full-size storage room, and an oversized 3-car garage. The interior is move-in ready with attractive architectural features, crown moldings, and plenty of space in the open formal areas for large furniture. Off the foyer is a dedicated home office with glass-pane French doors perfect for telecommuting or homeschooling. The enormous family room, like most rooms, features superior plantation shutters and is centrally located. The kitchen offers granite counters, an abundance of upgraded cabinets, built-in stainless steel appliances, a center island, and a roomy pantry. Adjacent to the kitchen is the dinette, and like the family room, it offers a fantastic view of the screened patio and pool. The owner's suite is oversized and has direct access to the patio pool. The suite also features 2 walk-in closets, a terrific private bath with separate vanities, a corner tub, and a walk-in shower. There are 2 other bedrooms with large closets, a full bath, and a roomy laundry room on the first floor. Upstairs, an open loft/game room is between the front-facing media room with multi-level flooring and the 4th full bedroom with a full bath. The covered patio offers brick pavers, a well-designed pool with water features, and a great view of the fence.